Vision for display, wisdom for manufacturing. Here is Ikinor Global Commercial Display Manufacturing Base. Dongguan, China 6,000 square meters factory, focus on display R&D and production. Serving 20-plus countries worldwide. 2 automatic assembly lines. Professional optical bonding workshop. For efficient and standard production. Professional optical bonding workshop for efficient and standard production. 10-plus years experienced team, excellence in every production procedure, full process quality control, raw material traceability, 100% inspection per unit. Every machine undergoes repeated rigorous inspections and functional tests before leaving the factory, ensuring only high-quality products are delivered to you. 72-hour high-temperature aging test ensures stable and reliable performance. Interactive flat panels. Smart whiteboards empower smart education and efficient office. Digital signage, advertising players. Kiosks for retail, catering, medical, and more. Portable mobile smart screen with built-in battery. Flexible for multi-scene use. Globally certified, meet international export standards, reliable quality. One-stop OM or ODM or SCOCT or CCD service, 24 hours response, 15-day fast delivery. Strict packaging, 100% on-time delivery, guarantee for global customers. Ikinor, connecting digital future. Welcome global partners for win-win cooperation.